Hello and happy Thanksgiving. I thought I'd do a real short video on how to get your motorcycle going, your Yamaha T700, how to get it going when you break your side stand switch. I was out practicing and I went down and I broke the side stand switch, which is down in here, so that when you put it in gear, when it works normally, you just take off, but when you break your side stand switch, when you put it up and you start to take off, it'll die. And you can't go anywhere. And so I was kind of screwed. I was out there and I wasn't totally sure what to do. And I got on the internet and got lucky, and thank God Camel ADV's video came up. He had a real quick video on how to do this and just saved my butt. But what you do is the wire, there's two wires and they run along here and go into your side stand switch. So you cut the sheath and pull the two wires out and cut them, and then put them back together. Put them back together. The ones that are coming off of the engine up here, not where the piece that you have coming off your side stand switch, but this part here. Put them together, and that'll trick it into thinking that everything's okay. And when you go to take off, it'll run just fine, and it'll fix it. So you'll never get stuck out there with a broken side stand switch. So now I'm going to go ahead and get some electrical tape and some shrink wrap and fix this up right. And thanks very much for watching. I hope this helps you out.